Today, I'll show you the most commonly used home machines for cutting. The first machine you probably all know is the angle grinder. I have a cordless machine, but as I mentioned in my previous video, if you rarely use it, a corded one is fine. It's a pretty universal machine, most commonly used for cutting and grinding metals. You can change the disc. There is a special tool for that. On the angle grinder, there is a knob that locks the drive shaft, so you can use the tool to loosen the screw and then unscrew it by hand. Then we can put the other disc on, of which there are many available. There are different ones for metal, inox, stone, brick, etc. I'm going to replace a metal cutting disc with a grinding disc. When putting it back in place, care must be taken to secure the screw firmly with the special tool. When buying a disc, pay attention to the size of disc you need for your angle grinder. The machine shown here is compatible with a 125mm disc, but I will show you a larger size soon. The next one is also an angle grinder, but this is the bigger brother with a bigger cutting disc, 230mm in diameter. For comparison, I'll show you how the cutting disc of the smaller angle grinder is compared to the larger one. The motor is also much more powerful, but this one can only be operated with two hands. Cutting is less precise than with the smaller, single-handed angle grinder. I mostly use it for cutting concrete or harder and thicker metals. For cutting concrete, a special diamond disc is needed. The following is a jigsaw. It has a thin blade, so there is little loss of material when cutting, and you can cut very precisely. It's easy to make curves and cuts practically any shape. The alternating motion of the blade is like using a handsaw, but much faster. You can also adjust the feed rate and blade speed rate on this machine, depending on the material you are working with or how precise a cut you want. Changing the blade is quick and easy. Just turn the knob on the chuck and pull the blade out. When you insert the other blade, you drop the knob back and it locks the blade in place. You can get several different blades, so you can cut wood, metal, plastic, etc. It's a very useful tool. The next machine is a circular saw. This is a robust machine. It is fast to cut and is typically used for slicing wood. As you can see from the blade, it is not used for contour cutting, but rather for straight cutting. The safety cover slides back automatically when cutting, but can also be locked in a fixed open position. This is a 2-battery version, one of the most powerful machines in the Makita range. Like the angle grinder, this one cuts the material using a rotary motion. It can also be used to cut at angles other than 90 degrees, the adjustment of which is very simple. Changing the cutting disc is not as easy as on the tools we have shown you, but it wears out much more slowly than those. The last machine is the reciprocating saw. This is a larger, heavier, two-handed machine used for rough cuts. Its advantage is that it can reach many places that a circular saw can't, and you don't need a flat surface to cut on, which is what a circular saw or jigsaw needs. Disadvantage is that it cuts less precisely. In addition to workshop work, it can be very useful for garden work such as pruning or cutting up trees. The blade is easily interchangeable and different blades are available for wood, metal, plastic, etc. Finally, I will show you how to cut with these tools. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, follow my channel. Thank you.